Hi there, I'm Clemens. I'm founder and CEO of InsiderNavigation. As the name already says, we are doing indoor navigation, but mostly what we are really doing is, as Ori said in the opening speech, we are merging the digital with the physical world. But to get started, let me show you a quick video.
InsiderNavigation is the leading hardware-independent indoor navigation provider based on augmented reality. No beacons, Wi-Fi, or GPS is needed, and it works centimeter or inch accurate. By using our software development kit, intuitive real-time positioning makes it easy to navigate through complex venues. Customized augmented reality content can be displayed at a precise physical spot and enables 2D and 3D objects in your environment. Show required data at a place of your choice and merge your digital data with your physical venue. Our USP is to make every building interactive without expensive hardware. InsiderNavigation provides a simple process to initialize with our system buildings. Millions of square meter or square feet can be identified in a matter of days. Through the InsiderNavigation web interface, navigation grid and routes can be easily changed and content can be added and changed, plus many more great features. All the changes you make in the InsiderNavigation web interface will be immediately transferred to the clients using our software development kit. And here is the best part. Our system is easily scalable, works with every operating system like iOS, Android, Windows, or Linux, is industry proven, and your data is secure.
So as you can see, it's really cool. It merges all of your digital data with the physical venue. If you want to test it live, we are down directly at the entrance of the exhibition, booth 400. Stop by for a live demo. It's really cool and easy. As you can see here, we are now having set up a product where we can initialize a building. Right now we use markers, but we also in parallel work on a point cloud solution like Google VPS. In the middle there is a backend where you can set up navigation, content, APIs to warehouse management system like SAP, Oracle, whatever you want, you can connect with our system. And the SDK, as you can see here, which runs in general on any kind of device. So we don't really care if it's now a tablet, a Windows computer, or if you in future want to use it for an autonomous driving vehicle in a building, where we already talked to several suppliers there. Why is it such a great solution from our point of view? For instance, one of our clients wanted to use positioning for his factory. It's quite a huge factory, and they made a test, and they've seen that for accuracy that they needed, they would need around 72,000 beacons. I mean, it wouldn't look like this, but I guess it shows my point. But as mentioned before, it's not only about the navigation. What we've seen in talks with our clients, which are really going from airports, shopping malls, factories, warehouses, power plants, it doesn't really matter. So venues are getting bigger and bigger and more complex. It doesn't matter in a B2C or in a B2B environment. There are a lot of different user groups. So like in that factory, you get guys driving a forklift, you get guys driving on a bicycle, doing, for instance, maintenance work. You got guys working through the warehouse and doing a daily inventory because they have a just-in-time delivery. So a lot of different user groups which are there in the building with different expectations or different things that they require to improve the processes, because at the moment there's still a lot of inefficiency. You get smart factories, IoT devices. So you produce data and you generate data, but how can you merge this with your venue to be more and more efficient? Ori in his opening statement said that when you merge the physical and the digital data together, you can have savings within, I guess he said 40 to 80%. I'm not sure if the 80 are fine, but I guess he's pushing the AR part. And the cool thing is with our markers right now, we even don't care if you have a changing environment, because VPS, if you recognize the structure, it's a problem when you have a changing environment. Like here on an exhibition fair or in a factory, it's always changing. With the marker solution, we always have a very constant tracking. And as mentioned before, data discontinuity, we can show for your stuff that you have to do in a building the right data. We have a SaaS model, so it's quite cheap to implement. It's only a few pence or euro cent per square meter. But as you can see here, even this one client that we are having on that one factory, that's quite a good license fee per month, and they are having around 120 production sites. And as we have seen, only in the US and Europe, there are 19,600 large factories, and we even haven't talked about all the other industries that we were talking about before. I'm a serial entrepreneur since 15 years, since 10 years in AR, VR, computer deep learning. Florian, my co-founder, works with me. Now it's already, I guess, 11 years, so longer than I'm married. I'm working together with Florian. Shouldn't tell my wife. And he's our CTO. He was before that in our former company, yeah, and we got some computer vision guys and a lot of good guys setting up a partner and client network now from Asia, Europe, to the US, and we are looking for Series A funding to make it grow bigger. And if you want to know more, just drop me an email. Thank you.